Hey everyone, take a look around. See all the screens, the devices, the constant connection? Now, imagine a new layer on top of all of it. A smarter, faster, more intuitive layer. That's not science fiction. That's 2026. This is the year everything changes. AI assistants are no longer just a cool feature on your phone. They're becoming the very first way you interact with the digital world. The real question is, are you ready for what's coming? Think about how fast things are moving. It took Google 9 whole years to become the king of search. But ChatGPT, it's on track to hit mass adoption in just 4. The entire game of online visibility is being rewritten, and it's happening at lightning speed. We're not talking about a small shift. We're talking about a fundamental change in user behavior. People won't open a browser and type in a search query like they used to. They'll just ask. They'll ask their phone, their car, their smart TV. They'll ask their AI assistant first. Let's break down the numbers, because this is where it gets really wild. Google took nearly a decade to build its empire and dominate search. Now, look at the new wave. ChatGPT class assistants are projected to hit 1 billion daily active users by 2026. Think about that trajectory. It's not a gentle slope, it's a vertical climb. If your digital strategy is still stuck in the old ways of thinking, you're not just falling behind, you're about to be left in the dust. The adoption rate is so steep that you need to start adapting your strategy right now just to keep up. By late 2026, this won't be a niche behavior. It will be the norm. AI assistants will be seamlessly integrated into everything: your phone, your web browser, your car's infotainment system, even your smart TV. Consumers won't consciously think, I'm going to open a chatbot now. They'll just get things done. They'll book flights, schedule meetings, fill out complex forms, and order groceries, all through conversational commands. These new habits are forming incredibly fast. And as user habits change, so does the entire landscape of online visibility. If you're not where the user is asking, you're invisible. So, what does this mean for traditional SEO and how we think about being found online? Mass adoption of AI assistants doesn't kill search, but it absolutely moves it upstream. The battle for visibility is no longer on the search engine results page, it's within the AI's response itself. We're seeing 3 critical changes happening right now. First, the rise of zero-click surfaces will intensify. Assistants are designed to give direct answers, not just links. If the AI can answer the question completely, the user never needs to click through to your website. Second, chunk retrievability becomes more important than page rank. It's no longer about having the best overall page. It's about having the most concise, accurate, and verifiable chunks of information that the AI can easily grab and present. Think paragraphs, not pages. And third, machine-validated authority will dominate. Things like structured data, schema markup, clear citations, and stable, permanent links are what the AI uses to verify your information and trust you as a source. Your authority needs to be machine-readable. And if you think this is just a consumer-facing trend, you're missing the bigger picture. The enterprise world is adopting this technology even faster. Gartner predicts that by 2026, a staggering 40% of all workplace applications will have AI agents embedded directly within them. Think about that. Your potential business customers won't be visiting your website to research your product. They won't be downloading white papers in the same way. Instead, they'll be asking their AI assistant inside the tools they already use every single day. Tools like Salesforce, Microsoft 365, or SAP. The AI will pull answers and present them right there in their dashboard. If your content, your data, and your product information aren't structured to be found and understood by these enterprise AI agents, you will be completely invisible to your target buyers. So, how do you prepare for this monumental shift? How do you make your brand 2026 ready? It starts with rethinking your entire content strategy. First, you need to break down your content into what we call assistant-grade chunks. These are small, self-contained blocks of information, typically between 150 and 300 words, that directly answer a specific question. Second, you must go all in on structured data. Use rich schema, create canonical PDFs of your important documents, and use clear authorship stamps to signal who is providing the information. Third, mirror this structured content everywhere. Your help center, your product manuals, your developer documentation. It all needs to be a consistent, machine-readable knowledge base. Fourth, if you have data, expose it. Create APIs and provide sample datasets that AIs can use. Fifth, you need to start tracking brand citations and mentions inside AI assistants themselves, not just on the web. And finally, you have to use the new generation of monitoring tools designed for this era. Tools like Serpicon, RankB, Profound, YK, and ZipTie. Dev can help you see what AI assistants are actually saying about your brand. Remember, this isn't an overnight flip of a switch. Mass adoption is a process, but the slope is steep and unforgiving. The key is to start now. You need to test, verify, and optimize your content for this new reality. Don't just blindly follow what the AI platforms tell you in their marketing materials. You need to independently verify what their models are actually retrieving and saying about you. Your goal is to build trust, authority, and a library of structured data that makes you the most reliable and useful source in your niche. You need to be assistant ready. The work you do today is what will determine your visibility in 2026. The future of digital interaction is here, and it's powered by AI and localized for every market. At Undercover, Cobalt ID, we are your partners in navigating this new landscape. We specialize in helping businesses dominate the intersection of AI and geolocation right here in Indonesia. Don't wait for the curve to leave you behind. Let's get you ready for 2026. We can help you maximize your visibility, drive traffic, and boost conversions in this new era of AI assistance. Let's build the future together. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this valuable, please give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on the future of digital. We'll see you in the next one.